Tūmokemoke is a mōteatea and a journey throughout Tauranga Moana, reciting marae, tupuna and sites of significance. Join us as we learn this local waiata and explore our rohe, mai ngā kuri a whare ki te tū.
Kura te wini wini, kura te wana wana, maua he kurangi, ngā maunga kohati, tai timu, tai pari ngā watere nei, wai au te aua, te moana tauranga, o tā whiwhi te whenua e. O tā whiwhi te whenua, mā tātua te waka, ko toroa te tangata e. Hui e, taiki e.
Kaore hoki tapu kanohi e kaweki no ki te moe whakarika rawa.
Te whakateka whakatuwhera i te tatau ki te kaupapa e tuatuni. Aria mai au noho, ngā pare kawa kawa, i rungai a koutou. O mai ki te awhi te kaupapa. Te kui e tuake nei muri nei. Iu kui a ia, ki te rawa. I kākahuti ai, ki te kākahu. Tika hei mauhanga mona, e tū mai rā. Nā te whakaaro ko tahi, kātu, te whakatinana, i ngā whakaaro, waku pāpā, waku rangatira, e whaeka nei.
There was an important marriage that was made in this area a number of years ago. And I want to mention a great rangatira, a tūpuna by the name of Pūkeko. And Pūkeko had a whakapapa that leaned him towards being strong mātātua, but also he was strong tainui. He was a descendant of Ngāti Maru. So he was able to come up and down this coastline because he had those whakapapa connections. Anyway, one of his journeys, he came up this way and he got to the entrance at Otawhiwhi, at Katikati, this side of the entrance, and it said that his waka overturned. And when it overturned, he was drowned. It said that his body then was washed up into the cave at the bottom of that headland part, Te Rūnanga. And when Te Whānau Kaupau found his tūpapa, found his body, they could see that the sea lice had been eaten away in his flesh. Henceforth the coming of Katikati, and that the state of his body, he was naked but he was tangled up in seaweed. That's how Otawhiwhi came about.